I got it wrong.
The head moving up and down. It's actually real good.
It's good.
Taste it. Let me get you closer. It's good. It's real good. Bon appetit. It's real good. It tastes like some chicken broth. Onion soup.
Look fire, y'all. I don't even know what the name of this place is. My wife brought me here. YouTube, what's up, Black Sheep Grit family? What's going on? Denisha World, what's popping out there? About to try this good soup. I don't even know what this is. My wife brought me here, man.
It's onion soup, y'all.
Thank you,
She said it's onion soup. It's fire.
You guys look cute. Hi. See, there's
Oh yeah, that's fire. Tastes like chicken broth. If you like chicken broth, it's fire though. Yeah, man, nice set, nice place, man. Y'all know what it is. Turn up, man. Out here doing our thing. My bad.
Yeah.
She look beautiful.
The salad's so good.
Gorgeous, ain't she? Yeah, she a bad one. I know what it is. Tap back in with y'all. I'm about to eat a little bit. Salad, man. Hold up. She done tore up her salad.
Salad 10-10.
I don't know what kind of dressing that is, but
I think it's like, I don't know, it kind of tastes like $1,000 now, but that's what it tastes like, but it's thick, it's pink inside.
Hold up real quick. I'm about to try this real quick, this salad, man. Let y'all know what this tastes like. Give y'all my opinion on it. It's cool.
very good.
Not my favorite taste of dressing, but it ain't bad. Yeah, man, I'm about to eat this and we'll tap back in with y'all here in a minute. Y'all stay on that grind. I know what it is. What it do, Black Sheep family? We back. Yeah, they about to start up. Y'all probably can see him behind me getting busy. Turn this camera around for y'all, man.
Like last week.
Good thing you work every day.
No, not smart. That girl eat too much. No, because like when this girl was working at Henderson, right? Only like 90 something pounds. Yeah, now you have over 100. Now almost 120. 2 weeks ago, I checked the ticket. $8,000. Yeah, $8,000 from 3,500 all the way up like to $8,000. And then also like before, you know, if I leaving from Vegas and then stop at LA, right, and then all the way to Korea, and then another one to my hometown, right? Totally maybe like 4-3 hours. So all the flights, yeah, all the flights stop twice, and then like I saw one funny one from Vegas, right? Vegas to LA, waiting over there like over 50
Tap back
hours.
in when he start up.
Yeah,
You already know.
LA.
5 minutes later.
Here we go.
All right, let's go, guys. That's time. Yeah.
Scary.
All right, let's go, guys. Always smiling. And then fire cut. Yeah, got ready, guys. 1, 2, 3.
Ah, yeah.
Oh, it was my eyebrows. That's okay.
Anytime, sir.
Yeah, he gotta do his thing. Gotta see it get fire right here.
Alright, let's go, guys. Let's get this one.
Oh.
Oh my god!
Why do you keep throwing things at her?
Because they recorded. I want to make something
You
special,
did?
you know? Alright, let's try another one.
It's all good, big dog. Yeah, right, bro.
No. That's what I want to say, you know, put your phone down, put your phone down. Not ready, this one for you. Seriously, I'm not kidding. Not ready, open your mouth.
Uh-oh.
Try it.
Uh-oh, man, you gotta do it. You gotta do it.
Not today. There it goes, there it goes.
Ah, yeah. There we go.
A body crab.
Got anything you want to say, baby?
Yeah, he was trying to make me eat some raw egg. Was not happening. He got nervous and dropped the egg. I know y'all seen that. But he trying to come back and try to get at me. No. And then put more salt on that.
Quit talking her shit. Hey, man, I gotta run to the car for something. So I might miss out, but my wife will catch the rest. I don't know yet. I might have to turn this back around for y'all.
Alright, let's go, guys. Volcano hot. Alright, guys, ready to go volcano? Oh yeah, let's go.
Got to do the volcano. Here we go.
Let's go, guys. One, two, three. Alright, come on guys, fireworks. Yeah, fireworks. Yes, fireworks. And then another one. Barbecue chicken. Let's go. Choo choo train coming. Yeah, choo choo. Alright, let's go back. Let's go back. Alright.
Tap back in with y'all, man. Y'all already know what it is. Out enjoying my beautiful day with my beautiful wife. Black love, supporters. Y'all know what it is. BlackSheepGrittin, Destinee world. Tap in. Appreciate y'all, man. Nothing but love and blessings out there. Enjoy y'all day. Your love. Lobster tail right there. Yeah, that's me.
See a bunch of people you haven't seen in a while.
Just maybe like just a stay with time. Yeah, just a
Yeah, man, they open up at like 3 on Sundays, man. So now we know it's our first time come here.
Why working?
Hey, what the hell is the name of this place?
Oja. Oja.
Oja. Japanese and hibachi. Out here in Vegas. Y'all ever get a chance to come out here, come check them out. BlackSheepGrittin family. Y'all know what it is.
Right when they're busy. Bye. I'm out of here. Going on vacation.
Veggies.
There we go. Good vegetables, man. Look at that. Smoking. Smoking hot.
Yeah.
I don't even see that rice right there.
Your plate's like all the way over here, and then you have a bunch of stuff.
Get taller. Really hot, okay? Yeah.
You're like, I ain't see it. Look at that. Come on, y'all, man. Y'all know what it is. Look, good dipping sauce, too. Hold on. Let me get your review. Look at my wife getting the first bite. Is it good?
Juicy.
Yeah.
It's real good.
Alright, so about 145 minutes. And then medium, right?
Just drop the good shrimp on there. That salmon look good. I don't know whose it is, but it looks fire. What did I do? I can't do it anyway. That's what the wifey got. That's what Mrs. Turner got. Shrimp and steak mignon, or however you say that shit. My bad, y'all. I'm looking at this. Doing this thing now. All right, we're gonna check back in here in a minute. Over there. Hey man, my bad, man. I was supposed to show y'all my plate, but I had to start eating. I was hungry. Whole plate about gone though. Yeah, man, chef did a good job, man. Wife's still waiting on her steak, so. I gotta get back to eating. He got it cooking.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God! Okay, one more. Good one for you.
There you go.
How about you, sir? You want to try one? Come on, open your mouth. Okay, another birthday girl. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Okay, another one for you. Oh! One more for you. Okay, another one. Come on, open your mouth. How are you, sir? Ready? Yeah. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Oh! One. Oh, sure. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3. Right now. Nice pass. Yeah. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Right there. All right. She's on fire today. Okay, a little one. Oh, yeah.
There you go. Oh!
One more minute. All right, I'm done.
Going for it.
Uh-oh.
I'm ready.
Let's go. 1, 2.
Oh.
I think I make you nervous. I make you nervous.
Show her how to do it, Roy.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
I do.
What are you doing? You don't have to move. You gotta try a little bit.
Got y'all a little bit.
You know what? Enjoy your food.
Did you?
Yeah, I know, man.
Everybody record me. I'm going for it.
Yeah, he's ready. Right there.
Oh, nice.
One more.
All right.
How you gonna do it? Sounds good, big dog. Appreciate you, man. All right, we finally done with the We finally done with the hibachi. I'm going to show y'all the names and the logo. So I got food all on my camera, man. So yeah, this good little spot Good little spot. Look at my fine wife. Ain't she beautiful?
What's up, y'all?
Looking all nice and sexy.
Sounds so bright. Now, burn like a diamond.
Kicks is crispy.
I need to get my husband.
There you go. There you go. They want to see it. They want to see a big dog.
How do I tell you about? Oh. And my hubby, y'all. Phone posits, black on black, sexy chocolate.
Hey, I'm rushing because it's a little chilly in here. But nah, man, we appreciate y'all just chilling with us so far on this good restaurant, man. So we're going to tap in, man. Until we'll damn, I don't know what I'm trying to say. We'll check back in is what I'm trying to say. I'm full, man. And ready to get some of that. You know what I mean. All right.
What's up, y'all? We back finally, and I just wanted to come back to let y'all know today we celebrating my husband's 100 subscribers today. So that was the outing that y'all just seen before, the hibachi, and so we doing that for his 100 subscriber milestone. That's a big accomplishment. Man. Just we want to say thank y'all to all the 100 subscribers that took their time to push the button, because it is free, y'all. Just to let y'all know, it don't take no time to push that subscribe button. So make sure y'all hitting that subscribe button. Also, make sure y'all go back and make sure that subscribe button is still pushed, because sometimes YouTube will unsubscribe you and you won't even know. So y'all make sure y'all go back.
Y'all doing the same thing for the like button and the notification bell. They'll remove it or whatever, turn it off or whatever. But I just want to say, appreciate it. Thank y'all. I know 100 subscribers to me, well, I'm gonna say to me, it's huge. It just gives me more encouragement, a lot of great deal of appreciation. Just want to say thank y'all, man. So the next goal is 1,000, and from there 100,000, and then from there we're just gonna keep running it up, man. So just want to celebrate every milestone, you know what I mean? And I hope y'all doing the same for y'all accomplishments, man. Just want to send a salute out to y'all who doing y'all thing. I appreciate it, man. Before we know it, we'll be monetized, you know what I mean? But don't forget, like I say, I don't really say push. I try to say, you know, my own little thing, but don't forget to grind that notification bell. If y'all liking the videos and the content I'm putting out, man, make sure y'all grind that thumbs up button, you know what I mean? Like it, man, real talk, as well as, you know, grind that notification bell to see when I'm dropping new content. But yeah, man, the restaurant was really good. Thank you, baby. My wife took me out, man, you know, had a little time.
In the tent.
Get away from the children, you know what I mean? The young folk. And just had us a nice little day out, man. We just been vibing all day, chilling. Yeah, man, you know, just appreciate my wife celebrating with me, you know what I mean? But the next one, we're going to go up, man. Once we get monetized, we're going to do something real nice. But, yeah, man, if y'all in Vegas, y'all go check them out. How you say that shit?
Oh, I think it's Oja. Oja, Japanese, and hibachi.
And shout out to the chef, dude, Roy, man. You know, big shout out to Roy, man. You know
he did his thing. Y'all gonna see it in the video.
Yeah, man, you know what I mean? They was giving him a hard time, you know what I mean? I almost caught all my shrimp, too, man.
He missed one.
I missed one. I almost caught all my shrimp. It was fun, you know what I mean? My wife got me trying something different, man. I used to go to the Gojo's back home probably like 3 times. And it was alright. I wasn't never a big fan about it. You know, a lot of people back home just, it was overrated. I've been to Benihana's before. It was overrated. So this place was cool though. You know what I mean? If you into that type of stuff.
Y'all come check them out. Make sure y'all come check them out. But yep, y'all, we'll catch y'all when we get to our next destination. We're going to continue our little outing today and give y'all a little scenery review as we drive. So we'll catch y'all in the next clip. Deuces.
Out.
Sitting so much trail in the road like some lamb cut. Nights on down love till my family's up. Double cup in the cup, hold on the truck. Stand far away from niggas paying over bucks. Hit the fan pop on the way to the top. One in the head of the chop on the way to the spot. We smell films from the units in the living room. Well, I peace to my niggas in the living room.